Hi everybody, welcome. Today we're gonna unbox a Jeffree Star shipment. I'm putting on the Jeffree Star t-shirt. I got the last order, the last box shipment. Okay, this one's the tie-dye. I believe it's called the snow cone tie-dye. It has very light, beautiful colors like pink, blue, lavender, tie-dye in there. So, hope you can see in here. Okay, so the box is this one right here that we have to open up. And there is a bundle in there from the sale, which we're going to try on. And this is our Valentine's silk gift, which is a box of Lindor chocolates, which is like my favorite chocolate, or one of my favorites. It's so good. This one has all the different flavors in assorted pack. It has the white chocolate, the milk chocolate, and the dark chocolate in this box, and we had it free yesterday. I recommend it. I got this from Wands. I believe it was, I forgot the price, but it's a beautiful box. It has flowers on it. Pretty. But anyways, let's just get to opening. I think I have to move closer though, because I can't barely see anything. So let's open the tape on this thing. I'm like way off. Who remembers dates when you're an independent contractor? Okay, so we got it open. Still can't really see that good. You know what it is? It's because the tablet has the camera on the side of it, not the top of it. It's a weird angle. This mirror is called Pearlescent. From this angle, maybe let's try that. So all this stuff is from the website JeffrerStarCosmetics.com. And this one is, I guess, a collaboration with Shane Dawson. So this is so cute. It has a piggy, beautiful. I believe I have another piggy mirror as well, but it's a different color. I want to say it's either green or black. I think. I'm not sure. But it's so cute. It looks silver. Like a pearly. And it's big. It's really big. Like the width of it. I think this is like the perfect size for a mirror. So yeah, that's so cute. I love it.
By advertising on YouTube, I catch the eye of my ideal customers at the right time. I can connect with someone.
Let's see what else we got. Paper. Ooh, there's something hiding. I love when we have things hiding. What is hiding? Ooh, something fell out. Is it a bomb? It's called tinted lip balm. Let's open it. It has very pretty shiny marks and let's see. Ooh, so pretty. This is chrome. His lip balm. So pretty. So it does say tinted. See? Yeah, it does have a color to it for sure. It smells really nice too. So it's like light pink with really dark pink the foil shiny foil on it. And the star, of course, is on there. So pretty. It feels so soft and nice. Anything else hiding? Let's see what else we have in our box. So this is our surprise. We can open that last. We have another mirror, and this one is it's called iridescent color. Let's see what it looks like. So this one, I'm trying to remember. Oh, okay, it's the crown. So this is the crown. It's like a coral color. It's pretty. Very cute. Very big as well. The size. It's a pretty color. Making kissy faces. So just to compare, that's what the size is. Actually, the piggy feels heavier. It is bigger, in fact, actually, the size of it. You can tell the difference. Yeah, it is bigger. They're both so cute. Very, very shiny. So then, what else do we have? And oh, we have one more mirror, and then we're on to our fun reveal. And that's just basically me putting on makeup. Okay, so let's see the third mirror. This one says white glitter and the sticker. Everybody's seen these. This is just a regular star. And it does have shimmer in there, like glitter. Very pretty. So, and this one's a little bit smaller, actually. So, yeah. Okay. Hard to see for some reason. I'm trying to make the mirror high, the tablet higher. Okay, so the last thing here, and again the mirrors, the three mirrors, check out their size differences. So each one's slightly smaller in comparison. So that's the park ceiling. Okay, so obviously the piggy's the biggest size-wise. Okay, and our bundle is the purple bundle today.
How to get the best tool for creating stunning videos? Go to motionary.com and get the best video templates to make that wow effect.
So let's just try this on. It's called Clean. And inside we have all the purple colors. So I have the green one. I don't know which other one I have. I do have the piggy bundle. So let's just go through the different colors. That's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, so we're gonna go from, let's do the most nude to the most pigmented in order. And my hair is being a big mess today. Why? I have no idea. So this one is really nude. It's called Virginity. It almost looks like concealer. It's really, really nude. And I need something to cover up my sleepy eyes because I feel tired right now. Oh, and I should have brought, let me see if I could grab my brush. This pile, big pile. Where are all my brushes? Oh, of course they're not here. Where are they? Do I have one here? Okay. Maybe from this one to the powder one. Okay, so again, this was the color Virginity, which is really, really nude, which is good for a base and foundation. It almost looks like super light lavender, but yeah, I don't know if that was what it was meant to be anyways, but okay, so that's the color. That's the lightest in this kid's bundle. The second one is Scorpio, is called the name of it, which is slightly darker in comparison. The pretty thing about the bundle is it has very diverse colors. Even though it's a purple bundle, there's nude, there's like shiny with silver, so lavender, and even pink and fuchsia in here, which is so cool. It's not just pure purple, but yeah. And then like the green one had like nudes and browns and different things as well. Obviously, like olivey colors, pale like green tea color. Okay, this is very pigmented, even though it's supposed to be nude. So it's good that it has a lot of pigment. It's just I'm trying to figure out. We have to use a brush, I think, to fix it. Okay. Because the applicator is good for applying stuff, but not really for spreading it. That's the color. It's really, really pretty. Let's get our small size brush. These are from Ulta, these little tiny brushes. It's good to have brushes handy when you're applying stuff. It's a beautiful color though. I love this color. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Even though it looks light, it's so cute. Okay, that's that one. It's gonna get darker and darker, so I don't know. I think we're gonna have to use like little tiny dabs. Okay, the next darkest color that I see is, well, we got like an actual like darker shade of lavender. This one called Pony. So this one actually does look lavendery. Put a little bit. I'm just gonna dab it and then spread it with the brush because it's the only way to do it. It is so pretty, the color. Little brush. And then, okay, so next here in shade, is this one right here, very shiny cloud. Not sure. This one's actually shiny, so it's metallic. What is going on with this music? Let's put it in the blower lid, like halfway inside, like a highlight kind of. And the cool thing is our t-shirt kind of matches these colors, which I didn't really plan for that. It just happened. Cool. And the reason I didn't put too much is because there's another metallic shiny like lavender on here, which is the next one we're doing. It is sparkly. It is slightly darker. This one is called Royal Armor. So let's put that one too. So pretty. See, let's put that in the upper inner also. So like I said, there's about a week of this Christmas season, and then it's actually gonna be Valentine's season, which is exciting too. So we're gonna be wearing more pinks and purples. So this kind of like goes with the themes, I guess. We're kind of transitioning into the month, whatever it is. So, okay, and then the next darkest color, actually, we got Berries on Ice. This is actually pink. So let's do the last two pinks last. So we'll do this one, which is actually called I'm Royalty, which I think I have the full size in this. I believe. I'm not 100% sure. It looks familiar. We put this like over the liner which I put earlier, which was black, but it's smeared, of course, because I forgot I had it on and I kind of smudged it accidentally. But it was a liquid liner, and so we'll just put that on like a shadow slash liner sort of. It's a very pretty color. And of course, the last two colors are pinky colors. So that's the I'm Royalty, which we are all royalty here. If you act like royalty. If you act like royalty, then you must be royalty, right? Okay, and then the last, so yeah, Berries on Ice, and then the very last one has actually shimmer in it. This one's more matte. They're essentially very similar color-wise, just one is matte and the other is shimmering, or chrome. So I'm just putting a bunch of different colors, like a rainbow, tie-dye, pinks and purple, to match with my t-shirt. Again, this is a review for JeffrerStarCosmetics.com, and I have 3 shipments pending, which we'll do reviews for subsequently. I can't wait, very exciting. And those are also coming in from the Christmas sales, and there was a delay, with all this stuff going on, with the increased security and all that, having to do with workers and all that. So it's coming in a little bit later than usual, because usually they come in really fast, but it's taking a bit longer. So also, I'm not sure if they were maybe short on items. I'm not sure. But anyways, at least it's gonna get here, and it's gonna get here right before or around Valentine's Day coming up. So, and we do have some pinky colors in those orders. I got the sweater set with the pink stars and snowflakes. So it kind of goes with both holidays anyways. So this is the last color which is called Vulgar, but it's very beautiful. It's so pretty, like a dark pinky fuchsia, and it is chromy shiny. So I was gonna actually wait and see if I got some more packages and open them all together, but then I figured since this one had our bundle in there, that would make its own video, since we would be actually trying out all the colors in the bundle, swatching them, whatever it is. And that usually takes longer than just showing something real quick. But yeah, that's that. So we did our look. I'm very, very excited. I love these colors, very, very pretty. Let's show the bundle one more time. And my brushes were in fact from Ulta Beauty, the set of brushes. Oh, actually one of these is, the small one is from Petite and Pretty, the double-ended tiny brush, and the other ones are from Ulta. This one's Petite and Pretty brand from the Ulta website as well. So let's see, here's our bundle again. Let's put these inside. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Suki-Toons, aka Facebook Yo's All Play. I'll see you guys in my next video.
I lost my sister 6 months ago. I feel a little stuck.
Nice to have you home.
Love you too, Dad.
Bye, y'all. I wonder if we should throw on some other things before we end the video. Let's see if we have anything else with this one. Should we put on some gloss? We have the gloss from last orders. Make things a little bit shinier. This I also like to put on my eyes as well, just to show the colors off a little bit more. It smells really nice. Everything looks better with gloss, in my opinion. Spread it out a little bit. I was actually trying to find mascara. I don't know. I can't even find it anymore. Here's somewhere. This is actually from ColourPop. Let's just throw it on real quick. I just got this in the last week's shipment. So have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me.